Hi, I'm Dlynn Armstrong-Williams, Department Head of Political Science and International Affairs, and I'm here to tell you about a really exciting opportunity. Are you contemplating pursuing a political science degree at the University of North Georgia? But circumstances are right now keeping you from physically attending at one of our 5 campuses? Well, here's your chance. So for the first time ever in our department, we are offering a Bachelor of Science degree in political science completely online. So starting this upcoming fall 2020, you will be able to complete our entire program virtually. This is an exciting development for us and a great opportunity for you. But don't take my word for it. I want you to hear from the program's pioneer, Apollonia Johnson, who just completed the entire program and is our very first fully online graduate.
It was a great experience. Everybody was incredibly responsive and the faculty was great. The classes and courses online were great. Communication was very easy, as I was already used to doing a lot of it online and via email anyways. Definitely the flexibility. Without the flexibility, I wouldn't be sitting here today. Being able to access my courses online and the times when that I had available after nap times, when I got off work, or grocery shopping was certainly integral to me receiving this diploma. As a single mother and a full-time working adult, school was always kind of the thing on the side that I did, but it was very important for me to finish that. The structure really allows for someone with a very busy schedule to plan around their daily life. So since the syllabi and faculty and staff communicate very comprehensively, I have to say the only surprise was how easy it was to navigate the whole process. The community is certainly an aspect. Previously, I enjoyed going to the math and engineering clubs, and I was part of the Spectrum alliances. So that is certainly something, walking through campus, that cannot be recreated at home. However, in the past, especially most recent years, I have seen a lot of clubs take their meetings online and have been able to see and visit some of the different clubs, allowing me to kind of be there as they were meeting in person, which was relatively cool. I would certainly say the online route is for the motivated individual. It's exciting. If you have good organizational skills and you love learning, then this is certainly an option for you. I would definitely do it again if I could, and can only recommend the political science program.
Thank you, Apollonia, and thank you for helping us develop and roll out this really exciting program. If you want or need to obtain your degree in political science in such a format that's very different than the norm, and you're ready to join us, please send us an email and we'll be glad to send you further information. We hope to see you soon.